Hi, I'm Shushanik with BikeOn. If you don't know yet, BikeOn is a device that converts any bicycle to electric assist and back in seconds with no tools or skills. And today I want to tell you about our competitors. So there are several groups of competitors, and the first group is electric wheels. Electric wheels are basically wheels that contain battery and motor and everything else inside, and you just exchange a regular wheel of your bicycle to that electric wheel, and that's how you convert your bicycle to electric. One of the companies that makes electric wheels is Super Pedestrian. Their wheel is called Copenhagen Wheel. It's a pretty nice looking wheel. And it's a rear wheel, which makes the feel and handling of the bicycle more natural. The disadvantage of such a solution is that the rear wheel is pretty hard to exchange. It requires some skills, tools, time. You have to deal with the chain, you have to deal with different things when you are making that conversion. And obviously, after you invest all the time, if you want to have your regular bicycle back, you have to do it all over again. Another company that makes wheels is Geo Orbital. They make front wheel, which is much easier to install, but then because it's a front wheel, the handling and feel of the bicycle is not as natural, and if something happens with the wheel, if it stops for any reason, if it jams, there is an abrupt break that can result in flipping over, so it's pretty dangerous. Another group of competitors are mid-drives. Mid-drives are connected to the pedal of your bicycle. Some companies that make mid-drives include Bosch, Shimano, or startups like Bimoz. Mid-drives are pretty powerful, and they can be even used with mountain bikes. But the problem is that they are really hard to install. You really need to invest some time. There is pretty complex installation process with them. Also, there are friction drives. Friction drives are devices that have a roller that comes in contact with the tire of the wheel and spins it. One of the company that makes friction drive devices is EdE. It is a pretty small device. It still requires some installation, and it's permanent. To remove it, you need to use some time and tools again. Another company that makes friction drive device is Rubbee. With Rubbee, you can remove the device. You should make some installation the first time you use it, but after that the removal and putting on the device is pretty easy. The problem with friction drive devices is that they wear out tire. It's pretty easy to lose friction, so they are not that efficient as other types we've discussed previously. And another group of competitors are conversion kits. I wouldn't get into much details here because it's basically just a bunch of parts you get and you have to assemble it. It's a pretty hefty process. So what sets BikeOn apart from all our competitors? BikeOn is easy to install. It doesn't require any tools or skills. It snaps to the rear sprocket. That's how it drives the wheel. It's pretty lightweight, compact, and it's easily removable, so if you want, you can take it with you. If you want, you can have your regular bicycle again by removing BikeOn. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. It's not an exhaustive list of our competitors, but it's more of a representation of types and a couple of companies that make products that compete with BikeOn. Comment if you have anything to say or if you have any questions. Like this video and subscribe please, and see you next time. Bye.